Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to MK Community Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for New York State Property and Casualty Broker Applicant License. So it's quite simple. I'm going to show you what steps you need to do. So basically, if you're applying for an individual license, you could go to my another video and you could go on individually online. That's one step. But if you're planning to open up a business, let's say if you're planning to open up a business with a different name, on a business name, you need to go through this step. This is what it is, to go through this step. They can't accept electronic. They want you to do it in paper. So there's 6-page application. So you can read these on your own. I'm not going to go over it. So basically, this is how it works. So the fees as well is going to be $40 depending on what time of the year you apply. So that's a regular fee. So what you do is simple. You're going to be resident if you're applying into New York City. If you're outside, it's going to be non-resident, obviously. You put your last name, your first name, your middle initial, your social security number. If assigned, if you have it, you put down the national producer number, your date of birth, your gender, male or female, your trade name, so appropriate year, and obviously you put down the telephone number, principal insurance business address, the address where you can do your business, obviously resident address, and the mailing address as well. You put that information down. Now what are you going to be applying for? So it all depends on you. If you're a property and casualty agent and broker, so click on everything. You don't just do one or two, just you're going to be doing everything: property, casualty, personal line, baggage. Now obviously, let's say for example, if you're a personal line broker and agent, then you're only personal lines, then, which means you can only do auto and home. But if you're a property and casualty, which means you're going to be having all four of the categories with you. Are you under obligation to pay child support? Yes or no. Are you current or less than 4 months in arrears? Are you paying by income execution plan? Is it obligated? These are all yes or no questions related to child abuse. If you answer yes, so you can read through this on your own. If only the following question are answered yes, an explanation must be attached. Have you ever been convicted of a misdemeanor, had a judgment withheld or deferred? Are you currently charged with committing a misdemeanor? Yes or no. You may have been convicted of a felony, had judgment withheld or deferred, or are currently charged with committing a felony? Yes or no. Have you ever been convicted of a military offense? These are all questions, yes or no questions. You want to make sure if you're clean and everything's, you're not involved in any type of criminal activity. Have you ever been involved in a party elimination proceeding, including FINRA sanction or jury proceeding? Yes or no again. Has any demand ever been made or judgment been referred against you? Yes or no. Have you ever been notified by any jurisdiction to which you're applying to any delinquent tax obligation? Yes or no. Are you currently party to or have you been found liable in any lawsuit? Yes or no. Again, these are all yes or no questions. You do read through all this again. Once you do the applicant certification, you date it over here. You put the year, telephone number, email address, web address if you have. Sign the date. And once you do that, then obviously you just send them out. Just make sure what the fee is. Always call them up. This is the number. Call them up for any question. If you don't answer, call them up. They're very nice in terms of when it comes to help. It just takes one phone call away. For a brand new person, it's a lot of confusion if you're planning to open up your own broker/agent business. But I just helped you out in this process as well, to help you out. Again, if you're planning to apply for broker and agent, that's different. You're gonna send 2 different applications. This is the brokerage, and there's another one for agent. It's the same exact thing. The only difference is gonna say, let me show you. It's gonna say agent over here rather than saying broker. This is for broker, obviously. That's about it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Read through this again. The ones I didn't go through, I want you to go through over by yourself as well. It will be too length of a video if I go over everything. If you have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe to my videos. I'll be having more educational, informational video coming up. Thank you again for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.